What I'm about to share with you will, without a shadow of doubt, help you understand if property investment is for you. Hey guys, I'm Rahim. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, smash the subscribe button because I talk about property investment, personal development, and how to gain financial freedom. Let's get to it. But before we get there, I would like to thank each and everyone who supported me in my channel. The channel is growing immensely. Thank you for being part of the family. If you've been watching my video, you haven't hit that subscribe button, now is the time to smash it right now. In this video, we're going to talk about whether investing in property is worth it or not. You see, putting your cash into bricks and mortar has always been a popular move in the UK for those who wanting to grow their money without too much of risk. It is like having a safety net for your savings or for your pension, with the bonus of possibly making more cash over time. But diving into property isn't one size fits all kind of deal. There's a bunch of things to think about to see if it is the right sort of investment strategy for you. It is a bit like picking the right outfit for a big wedding or an event. You've got to make sure it fits well with your plans, your strategies, and ensuring it doesn't leave you uncomfortable later on in life. Because at the end of the day, you want to make investment that will give you better and serious return on your investment. So in order for you to understand whether it is a good investment or not, there are several factors to consider before deciding if investing in property is right for you, and it includes the following. You see, when it comes to property, it has stable property value. Over the past 70 years, house prices have been in an impressive climb, and it has increased by 365% over the past 70 years. So in essence, if you bought a property 10 years ago, that same property would have gone up by £365,000 in today's money. And if you'd have bought property in the past 10 years for say 100,000, that property would have doubled in price. That same property 10 years later would have worth £200,000. Now you can see how you can literally make money in properties by the rental income as well as capital appreciation. Sure, house prices might dip now and then, but these drops are usually just small blips on the bigger scale. The strategy is to hang on tight and wait for the market to bounce back and recover before, if you ever want to sell your property, sell the property and make profit over it, which would be significantly more than what you've bought it for initially. So if you're thinking about investing in property to make money work for you instead of you working for it, it is a smart move. But I advise you to get someone to mentor you, coach you, so that you know what sort of strategy that suits your financial situation, and also to make your money work a little bit harder for you. And the second benefit you get from investing in property is tax benefit. Investing in property significantly reduces your tax associated with buying properties in the UK, and you also have capital gains. You also have rental income taxes that you could be taxed on. But however, investing wisely, knowing which strategies to use, will significantly reduce your tax burden. Understanding the latest tax rules and deduction is essential to maximizing the tax you pay for your investment portfolio. And the third thing to note when investing in property is the ongoing cost. You see, when you buy a property, it often comes with ongoing costs like maintenance, repairs, obviously we've talked about taxes, insurance. This could eat into your property, especially if you underestimate it. As a landlord, it's your responsibility to look after your cost, ensure the property is being looked after nicely to minimize the repair and maintenance. And obviously when it comes to a property, it requires management. So in essence, do not overestimate your income and underestimate your expenses. However, with the management and this repair and maintenance, if you're a serious investor and you know what you're doing, you could employ an estate agency who will look after your property nicely. When there's a repair, they can send someone to go and sort it out. When there's a problem, they can send someone to go and sort it out without you even knowing about it, because in essence, they are representing you, and you can give them a bracket of amount they could spend every time when there's a problem with the property. And also, if the expenses is more than what you've already set them to do, all they could do is to pick up a phone call, explain to you what the problem of the property is, and request an okay for them to go and do the works for you. So as you can see, investing in property is vitally important to create generational wealth. You see, when you buy a property, it's not just about the property you've bought. If you bought a property, it will be there for a lifetime. It's an investment that will outlive you, that will give you better return on your investment. Despite having the outgoings and all these sort of expenses, it allows you to minimize your tax burden drastically and also gets you becoming richer and richer over time. And the beauty about property is that it allows you to hedge against inflation. So how does it do that? The higher the inflation, the more value, or the more your property go up in value, the more chances you have to increase your rent over time. In essence, investing in property is what's going to get you richer and ultimately gets you to financial freedom without worrying about losing your investment over time. I really hope this video has been helpful. If this video has been helpful, smash the like button below, subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. I look forward to sharing the next one. Thank you.